You
do
gotta land it. You jump up.
Do a starfish.
Jump like high jump onto the snow.
No, fall backwards. Fall backwards and just dip.
Oh, he's just gonna throw fucking snowballs at us. Any ideas?
He's digging. He's like a dog.
What is he digging?
Burrow.
He needs to
Yeah.
fully submerge.
Climb
Be in there.
Climb up there and lay down. You can't just sit there.
Too prepared. Dive in. You're making it more painful.
Get in it, you win. Turn over.
10 more seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3/4, half, a quarter, 1. It's gonna burn. It's gonna burn.
Oh, yeah, buddy. Oh, it did like stone.
Yeah.
Like, no, getting in here was alright. The little dots, like the splash was like.
What was it like? Ting, ting, ting.
Yeah. What was it like?
It's not that hot in here when you come back in. Though. It's like.
Oh yeah.
It's like.
Yep.
How does it feel?
Kevin won't do it. He's a pussy.
I'm not an idiot.
I'll do it later, perhaps. Once you